EJ 51V 100Ah Lithium Iron Phosphate Golf Cart Battery. The display shows voltage, current, and capacity. Press the right button to view capacity percentage. Long press the left button to view the voltage of each cell. Long press the middle button to turn the battery on and off. The switch blinks continuously when the battery switch is turned on. Long press the switch to turn off the battery, and the light will go out. Long press the switch to turn on the battery. You can also turn the battery on and off via the BMS button in the mobile app.